In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find or see your Venmo card number. Full guide. Let's walk through this together so you can securely view your Venmo debit card details right inside the app. I'll explain what to expect on each screen and share a few safety tips along the way so you feel confident from start to finish. First, open your Venmo app and log into your account. Make sure you're using the official Venmo app from your device's app store and that you have a stable internet connection. If something looks different from what you see here, it may help to update the app to the latest version. Logging in will take you to your main feed or home screen. Next, look along the bottom of the screen for the Cards tab. Depending on your device, you might see an icon or the word Cards. Tap that. This area is where Venmo keeps your card-related features. If you don't see the Cards tab, double check that you've applied for and activated a Venmo debit card, since this guide focuses on that specific card. The Venmo credit card lives in a different section, so be sure you're in the debit card area. Once you're in the Cards tab, tap your Venmo debit card, the card image itself. This opens the card's management screen. Here, you'll typically find options related to your card, like controls and settings, but for our purpose, we're focusing on the details view. Under debit card details, tap View or View Card Details. For security, Venmo may prompt you to authenticate using your passcode, fingerprint, or face recognition. Go ahead and complete that authentication. After that, you'll see your full card number, along with the expiration date and security code. This information is displayed temporarily to protect your account, and it may hide again when you leave the screen. If you need the number for an online purchase or to update a saved payment, copy it carefully and avoid taking screenshots or sharing it in messages. Treat this information like cash. Only use it on trusted websites and never share it publicly. That's all there is to it. To recap, open the Venmo app and log in, tap the Cards tab at the bottom, select your Venmo debit card, and then tap View under Debit Card Details to reveal your card number. If you don't see the option, updating the app or confirming that your Venmo debit card is active usually clears it up. When you're done, simply back out of the details screen and return to the app's home. Keep your device locked when not in use and consider enabling biometric authentication for an extra layer of protection. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and safely find your Venmo card number.